Alright, so this is what we got going on here. I have the switch panel here. So you got fighter jet anodized switches. You have a red switch here and a push button switch because I have a ABS tri-tune air horn that I bought from AndyAutosport.com, and they sent the wrong product. So I just decided I'd fuck around with it until they messaged me back. So I started hooking it up, and I didn't have a 12-volt battery with me because it's a fucking car battery. So I just have this Craftsman inflator air compressor, and I hooked it up to this switch here, so that when I flip the switch on, it blows the air through this, in through this tube, and I have two horns right there. So let's test it out. Yeah, and so, oh yeah, I had to take the switch off of this. It had a switch on it, which is right, where's it at? Which is right here. It's just a little on and off switch that I took off. Had to cut it because it wasn't working. And, yeah, so that's, it's my, train horn.